Replaces lost or worn-out power cords. Universal design works with your PC, monitor, TV, printer, or other devices with a 3-pin power connection. Use this versatile 10-feet power cable to reach your gear. Deliver safe, reliable power. Perfect for TVs, computers, and other gadgets. Compatible with any device powered with a 3-pin connection. Heavy-duty 18-gauge cord is fully molded for maximum durability. Tested for safety, performance, and compliance by all. C2G cables are both effective, safe to use. Have a problem with your new power cable? We're here to help. All C2G cables are insured for quality and durability. Perfect replacement for old, unreliable power cables. Work with most PCs, monitors, scanners, and printers. Available in lengths up to 25 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Great short cord. Great little cord for areas where you don't want a long extension cord. Heavy duty quality, well built. Would be nice to have different colors to choose from.